Hierbij is een short overview how to use the EVPC Enhanced Video Processor card in the MES QMC emulation system. So the card information can be found at the System 99 user group, SNUG. This is the website link over here. So here is the version 1 card. So you see all the features and also the software you can download, the DSR routines, etc. Similar for the version 2 card as well. So you see that it supports the video processor V9938 or the 58. And the software is here downloadable as well. And the manuals. So the manuals are in German. Okay, there's also an English version here for the version 1 card. Okay, so here we see the different releases. Then for version 2 card, the same thing. Version 2, here are the different releases. And this manual has a little bit more information here. It's also in German. But it shows here the different text modes. And it also shows you the different call routines. Call EVPC, call GIF 99 and call basic, for example. So let's go to the system. So you see that the system has been loaded already with the EVPC dip switch indication over here. Here in our system we have the card configured as well. Here in slot 2, the EVPC SNUG Enhanced Video Processor card. In the MES directory, over here, there's a file called ti99_4ev. And if you look inside this file, over here, then you can see there are two files, an EVPC DSR and the video processor as well. So my guess is if you replace those with newer versions, then you have also a newer system, similar as is indicated in the manuals. Because the version we're using here sits in between the version 1 and the version 2 card if I look into the manuals. Let's go back to the system. Okay, so the dip switches can be configured using the scroll lock key. Like here, so you see partial emulation. Then you press the tab, go to the dip switches, and here you can select the different modes like PAL or NTSC, the correct set, international or German, the VDP, shifted, non-shifted, dip switches on or no VRAM, and so forth. Okay, so now we press 1 for TI Basic. Important is to turn off the scroll lock. So that we go back to full emulation mode. So you have to press a few times over here. Okay, now we're back in full emulation mode. Press 1. And we enter call EVPC. And now we see an 80 column mode with all the details of the EVPC card. So which version we're using here. And if you go to the I for information, then we can also see which DSR version we're using here. The video processor is a V9938 in this case. So we can go back. E is to end. J is German for yes. And we can also enter the other command, like call GIF 99. And now we can actually have a diskette with some pictures on it in the GIF format, and then we can load those as well. Okay, I hope this is useful how to set up the EVPC card.